Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the travel informations in the AirAsia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the account details section, and within that click on the travel information button. So as you can see, you can set your passport details. So for that, type in your passport number, set your region, so for example Brazil, and then type in your passport expiry date as well. Next, set the numbers for your national identity card. So type in your ID number first, and then again the issuing country or region, and then the expiry date of your national ID card, or if it has no expiry date, because it's the type of that doesn't have one, just tick that. And then you can also give an emergency contact, which is only for emergencies, which means that there will be no other things or informations sent to that mobile number. So for that you have to give your name, your given name and your family name, your relationship status, and your mobile number. And once everything is set, just click on the save button, and then your data will be stored here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.